Hi everyone. It's been many days since we have uploaded a video. So this video is a special one. In this video, I'm going to tell you about missions of spacecraft to Mars. This should be an entertaining and educational video. So sit back and enjoy. Before starting, here are a few terms explained. Lander. It's exactly what it sounds like. A lander is a spacecraft which descends toward and lands on the surface of an astronomical body. Rover. A vehicle for driving over rough terrains of planets, moons and other astronomical bodies. Orbiter. A spacecraft designed to go into orbit around a space body. 5. Rosalind Franklin. Rosalind Franklin, previously known as the ExoMars rover, is a planned robotic Mars rover, part of the International ExoMars program led by the European Space Agency and Russian Roscosmos State Corporation. The mission was scheduled to launch in July 2020, but was postponed to 2022. This program will use Russian launch vehicle and a Russian lander that will deploy this rover on Mars. Once landed, solar-powered rover will begin a 7-month mission to search for the existence of past life on Mars. Rosalind Franklin rover is an autonomous 6-wheeled vehicle. The rover will carry a 2-meter drill and many science instruments. 4. Mangalyaan 2. India's second interplanetary mission by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organisation. The program may also have a lander and a rover along with an orbiter. After successful insertion of Mangalyaan into Mars orbit, ISRO announced a second mission to Mars. This mission will likely use GSLV Mk3 as its launch vehicle. ISRO has planned to launch it by 2025. 3. Tera-Hertz Explorer. Tera-Hertz Explorer is a mission by Japan's National Institute of Information and Communications Technology, or NICT. The lander will be carrying a terahertz sensor to the surface of Mars to measure the oxygen isotope ratios in Mars. The objective of the mission is to understand reactions that resupply carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. This mission will survey the Martian atmosphere and surface for water and oxygen levels. 2. Perseverance rover. It is a car-sized Mars rover designed to explore the Jezero crater on Mars as part of NASA's Mars 2020 mission. It was manufactured by the Jet Propulsion Laboratory and was launched on July 30, 2020. Perseverance rover will land on Mars this year on February 18. Perseverance carries 7 scientific instruments to study the Martian surface at Jezero crater. It carries several cameras and 2 microphones. The rover is accompanied by the helicopter Ingenuity, which will help Perseverance to scout for locations to study. Main objectives of this mission are to look for habitability, seek biosignatures, collect samples, and preparing for humans. Here's an animation of landing of Perseverance rover on Mars. 1. Starship. The SpaceX Starship system is a fully reusable, two-stage to-orbit, super heavy lift launch vehicle under development by SpaceX. What is a super heavy lift launch vehicle? A super heavy lift launch vehicle is a launch vehicle capable of lifting more than 50 tons or 110,000 pounds of payload into low Earth orbit. A two-stage to-orbit is a spacecraft with two parts, the lower one being the booster to launch it out of the Earth's atmosphere, and upper part is the cargo carrier or the orbiter. It is the tallest rocket and has the most cargo carrying capacity. SpaceX is a private company owned by Elon Musk, the richest person in the world. More about him in a future video. Starship is the only mission which has plans to take humans to Mars before 2026. It is also one of the most powerful rockets to be ever made. The cost of Starship is estimated to be only $2 million, while the average cost is about $100 million for other rockets. The upper part of Starship is currently being tested. It lands vertically on the ground by doing a maneuver called belly flop, which means falling flat downwards to reduce speed by using drag of the atmosphere and firing near the surface to land to the Earth. Here is the clip of testing of Starship, the upper part, SN8.
Stage route, let's go for flight.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.